This is the solution for that one problem that we couldn't figure out the answer. Ethan actually worked it out, and the reason why I got it wrong was because I was lazy and decided not to factor, and so let that be an example to you. So anyway, this is going to be a product rule, and that means that it's two different things being multiplied. Okay, so the derivative is going to be the first times the derivative of the second. So the second requires a chain rule. Bring down the 2, keep the inside. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then the derivative of the inside is negative 1. So it's the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, which requires a chain rule. Bring down the 3, keep the inside. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then you need the derivative of the inside. Okay, now it's just a matter of simplifying. Keep the first piece the same. And now for the second piece, what you want to do is multiply this 2 and this negative 1. So it's going to be negative 2 times 3 minus x. And now for these parentheses, you want to multiply this 3 and this 2. Okay, after doing that, you can distribute this negative 2 right there. Okay, and now if you look, you can see, I'm going to do it in a different color, that there's a 2x plus 1 in the first term and a 2x plus 1 in the second term. And also, there's a 3 minus x in the second term. And if you look here at the first term, hopefully you can recognize that you have to factor out a 2. So I'm going to factor that out. Okay, and now what you want to do is consider this. This is one term right here. This is one term right here. So what you want to do is factor out a 2x plus 1, you have them in both of them, and a 3 minus x, you have them in both of them. So I don't want to go to the next screen because we'll lose all this, so I'm just going to erase on the top, and then I'm going to continue up there. Okay, so I'm going up here. Whoa, what just happened? Sorry. Okay, sorry, I'm back. I thought I had lost everything. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so I'm going to factor out a 2x plus 1 to the second power, and I'm going to factor out a 3 minus x. And that's going to leave 2x plus 1 times negative 2 plus 3 minus x times 6. And now we're just going to simplify that. So I'm going to distribute this negative 2 here. And I'm going to distribute that 6. And now I'm going to simplify one final time. I'm going to do that one in red so you'll see the final answer. Negative 4x and negative 6x is negative 10x. Negative 2 plus 18 is 16. And that almost matches one of the multiple choices. I'm just going to make some more room here. Okay, and this stays the same. This stays the same. And in this piece, you can factor out a negative 2, which gives me positive 5x minus 8. And that was the answer. So it was this times this. There was negative 2 in the front, and then this. And we finally got it to match. That's it.